Hello, in this video we are going to look at accessor functions. So what's an accessor function, you might be thinking? Let's create a contract and I'll show you exactly what it is. So contract, they're really simple to use. I'm going to call this contract simple. And if we have a variable here, unsigned int, and we make it public and we call it hello like so, and we assign a value of, let's say, 8 to it. And if we create an instance of that contract here, so simple, let's call it S1 equals new simple, like so. If we want to access the value and store it and store data, usually we would do something like function get hello. So we're creating a getter method, constant returns unsigned int ret val, and then finally we just do return hello. And then in here you would do s1 dot hello, hello dot get hello, and then we create the contract, click create, gets 0 because it has not been set yet, click the set button, click get, we get 8. So that's great. But what about something else? I want to show you what happens if we get rid of this. We get an error. That's pretty self-explanatory. But if you get rid of this and you just put the name of the variable, it has a built-in getter. So that's fantastic. It prevents you from renaming the method. Renaming a variable and then having to rename methods and all of that stuff. So there's built-in accessor getter methods. So if I create it, create, get 0, set, get, we get 8. So that's a accessor method. Not much more to it than that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.